Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a compact 32 tote storage unit. Built on a robust 4x4 base and framed with 2x4 lumber, this rack is designed to handle heavy-duty storage while staying sleek and efficient. The addition of caster wheels makes it easy to move around, giving you the flexibility to rearrange your space whenever needed. Whether you're storing seasonal decorations, tools, or crafting supplies, this unit provides a reliable, space-saving solution that keeps everything in its place. With its solid construction and thoughtful design, this storage rack is as functional as it is durable. The 4x4 base provides exceptional stability, while the 2x4 frame ensures long-term reliability, even under heavy loads. The compact size makes it a perfect fit for garages, workshops, or storage rooms. Plus, the caster wheels make mobility a breeze, no more lifting or struggling to reorganize your space. This DIY project isn't just about storage, it's about creating a practical system that works for you, turning chaos into order with style and efficiency. The DIY storage shelves for Totes project is an affordable and efficient way to organize your space, and it can be completed over a weekend. Expect to spend around $100 to $200, including lumber, screws, wood glue, and optional casters for mobility. Building the shelves and assembling the structure will take roughly 4 to 6 hours, with an additional 1 to 2 hours for sanding and finishing, if desired. Adding the totes and making final adjustments will take about an hour. In just 1 to 2 days, you'll have a sturdy, accessible storage solution that brings order and functionality to your space. For the finishing touches, start by filling any visible holes or gaps with wood filler, letting it dry completely before sanding the entire structure for a smooth, polished look. If you're planning to stain or paint, now's the time to apply your chosen finish, adding both style and protection to your storage unit. A clear coat or sealant will provide added durability, especially if the shelving will be exposed to moisture or heavy use. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.